So we're up here in Coalville, Utah today. We're at R&K Outfitters. We've done 9 trucks today, which is one of our largest installs that we've done in a day, and we've done a variety of fabrics. The one going in behind me right here is saddle blanket. We've done some ostrich with camo. We've done some crocodile with carbon fiber. You name it, we've done it up here.
Cabela's is a big partner of ours for over 20 years, booking us hunters and sending us clients. And they called me and said these are the best seat covers that they offer. And after looking at their quality and all of the vehicles that they came up and did today, I'm beyond impressed. They'll get put to the test up here, but yeah, I appreciate the professionalism and how all these seats turned out.
Well, with our trucks, we use them in extreme situations. A lot of rain, a lot of mud, a lot of snow, and we're looking for a cover to take care of our seats so that we can take care of our clients better. And we think that Ruff Tuff's a great partner for us to be able to match the extreme conditions with the right kind of cover for each of our trucks.
This is an example of one of them right here. This is a Tacoma. It's got Bill Goldberg's Articon camo on it. The reason we're doing that is to kind of upgrade what their clients are riding with and give them just a better feel, a better ride, and a more professional look to their vehicles.
We'll be using these trucks year round. They're having wet people get in them, muddy people get in them. I mean, we'll be in and out of these trucks all day. When we're calving, there'll be a calf loaded in the back of them. I mean, these seat covers are going to be put through anything and everything. Yeah, we picked the right brand. They can hold up to everything we're going to put them through.
These guys are going to put them to the test. They have a lot of guides that are running a lot of customers through here, so people getting in and out all the time. They're hauling in animals. Again, it's a hunting lodge, so you never know what's going to happen to these vehicles, and that's what we're hoping for. We want them to put our product to the test, and we're going to check back up with them in a couple months and follow up and see how it went.